Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's just Muskan right here, and do share this video as it's going to be a travel vlog. I think that because like every college and school has closed, so now our college has also decided to close this college, and they asked us to vacate the hostel amid the pandemic. And now we have to go to our homes, and it's like a very serious time for traveling. But anyhow, I don't have anywhere else to go, so I have to go back to Delhi, and I will try to record as much as I can, as I'm going alone and there will be no one to be holding my camera and recording for me. So yeah, stay tuned and don't mind if the video is bad. You do like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye. Here I don't know the language that much, so there will be a lot of language problems. So I figured out a way of going and saving my fare charges. So I called one of my friend, and he's going to come here and drop me till the bus stop, and then from there I will go, and yeah, I will try to record. Okay, so hi Bettina. Hi. Good morning. They're having sleepy faces because they don't have to go up until 2 o'clock, and I have to go. So right now I'm going to eat my breakfast, and then I think my friend will be coming to take me and drop me to the bus stand. So yeah, that's it. So guys, this is our breakfast. Coffee, dosa. Kind friends, they all woke up early in the morning to drop me till the gate, and he's having my luggage and he's also coming to drop me. Say hi, Alex.
Hi.
I have to teach all of them the basic manners. You're finally on my YouTube. And yes, I will be wearing 2 masks, and I will not be taking it off at any time. So if there is any voice error, so please bear with me. Safety is first, everything else is rest, right? He also came, and he's carrying my another bag. So yeah, everything will go on YouTube. Hi guys, so you can see my condition, and I reached Tirupati bus stand, and now I am waiting for my cousin brother to come and drop me to Tirupati airport so that I can go to my home. And I couldn't record anything because the bus was fully crowded and there was no seats at all, but somehow I got a seat. Guys, I reached Tirupati airport somehow, and I was running a little behind the time, and I caught up because I was sitting at my uncle's home and the time flew and I didn't get the notice of it. So now I'm at Tirupati airport. I took the boarding pass, I got through the security, and now I'm waiting, so I couldn't record all of those stuff. And I'm not sorry about it. Don't expect a sorry for it. And yeah, so I'm just waiting for the boarding to begin. Guys, protection is first, safety is first, everything else is the rest. So guys, I'm finally seated inside the flight, and it's a connected flight via Hyderabad, and the whole flight is empty. I will show you. Wait. And I am directly sitting onto the wing, and I hate this seat. Why am I getting seats like this? I don't understand this thing. Oh god. flight is empty, it's a good thing, as you know, safety is first. I just want to go home safe without corona or anything. I don't want my family to be sick or anyone to be sick because of me. We have to wait here for 1 hour and then we'll be going for Delhi. 1 hour is a really long time when you don't have any companion. Guys, I finally reached my home and I forgot to shoot many of the things, so just bear with it and like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.